Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that which is the big mistake we make while learning English language. I will talk about this as you know that if you are willing to do some kind of job or work and you will succeed only in that job or work where you are interested in. Where you are not interested in and you are expelled to do that you are forced to do that job, then finally you will fail. You will not do the exemplary thing in that specific field. So the big mistake is when we start learning English language, we start learning English language just by seeing others. That others are learning English language. My friend is speaking English language, other persons are speaking English language, so I should also speak the English language. But we don't see or we don't look ourselves that whether we are interested or not, just by seeing others that that person has built a big building, I should also. But for constructing such kind of building, you will have to do lot of hard work and interest. If you are interested and hard worker, then you can achieve the goals. So we are not interested to learn English language. We are forcing ourselves to learn English language. And when we will force ourselves to achieve anything where we are not interested in, then it will be difficult for us to achieve that goal. So, if you are willing to improve your English language, you are willing to learn English language, first and most important thing is that you should be interested in. There must be a goal in front of you that after learning English language, you will do exemplary things. Only then you would get any inspiration to learn English language. Without inspiration, without dedication, without devotion, it is much difficult for you to improve yourself in English language. So first of all, if you are interested in to learn English language, set some beautiful goals in front of you that you will reach on those goals. Then start learning. In this way, you will get the courage, you will get the inspiration, you will get the good knowledge, beautiful knowledge in a specific field. And you will do hard work with interest. And you will not feel exhausted while doing the hard work. Where there you are not interested in, when you will do the work, you will feel exhausted. And because you are not interested in. Where there you are interested in, you will do the things with great enthusiasm and joy. You will feel joy, delight while doing the things. Where there you are interested in. But where there you are not interested in, the things will become harder for you. So this is the big mistake that we do those things where we are not interested in, and we are willing to achieve those goals where we are not interested in. We just want to achieve those goals seeing by others that others are doing blah blah work, we should also do, but we are not interested in. So you will succeed in such way, in such sphere where you are interested in. So create interest in yourself. And when you are interested in, start learning, you will improve yourself in, I think, short time. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. And before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.